Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'll show you how to make chicken corn soup. Due to the absence of dairy products, it's light compared to other soups and yet very rich in protein, flavor and very fulfilling. But before we get to the recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment and share my videos. Thank you very much. First of all, I'm going to chop about 4 strands of chives. Chop as finely as you can. And set aside. We need 1/4 of a green bell pepper. Separate 1/4, slice it, and then dice. Now set aside. Next, we need 2 large eggs. Beat and set aside. Now in a pot on high heat, add 2 liters of water. Bring the water to boil. Add some salt to taste. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. You could also use regular salt. I prefer kosher. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger paste. If you choose to use ground ginger instead of fresh, then use only a pinch, since ground ginger is much more concentrated in flavor than fresh. You don't want the ginger to overpower the rest of the flavors. Now I'm going to add a big piece of chicken breast weighing 322 grams. Bring to boil. Cover and cook until the chicken is done and the meat is tender. Turn the heat to medium-high instead of high. Cooking time varies depending on the size of your chicken and the heat intensity. Mine took about 20 minutes to cook. About halfway through the cooking time, turn the piece of chicken. Keep an eye so the water doesn't overflow. Once done, turn the heat off and remove the piece of chicken. Leave the broth as it is. Let it rest for about 5 minutes and then use 2 forks in the manner that I'm using to shred the meat off the chicken piece. Once done, set the shredded chicken aside. Now back to the broth in the pot. Heat up on high heat. Add about 1 cup of kettle corn. Now add the diced green bell pepper from beforehand. Add 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper. You could use more or less depending on how spicy hot you like it. Now add about half a teaspoon of flavor enhancing accent brand salt. Stir it all in. Cover and bring to boil. Cook for about 5 minutes on high heat. Now add a little over 14 ounces of cream style sweet corn. This is the can that I used. Stir in. Bring to boil. This is the soy sauce I'm going to add next. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Meanwhile, in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, add half a cup of water. Stir the mix and set aside. Add the shredded chicken. Since the chicken is already cooked, we just need to heat it up. No need to cook further. Bring to boil. Add the half a cup of cornstarch solution. You could adjust the consistency of your soup by adding more or less of the cornstarch solution. Now taste to see if the seasoning is right. Mine tasted perfect. Now add the beaten eggs slowly in the manner that I'm adding, and also move your spoon in the same manner that I'm moving for even distribution of eggs throughout the soup. Lastly, add the chopped chives. Stir one last time and turn the heat off. Chicken corn soup is ready to be served. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment, and share my videos. If you have any concerns, you could always leave a comment below. Take care.